I'm Christopher Carter, and in this lecture, I will be teaching you some of the material that has kept me busy in the corporate entertainment market and win awards in the magic community. Many of these secrets have never been shared before, and all of them are workers that will fool and entertain. And not only will I be teaching you all of this material, but I'm going to be providing you with live demonstrations of every effect taken at the Chicago Magic Lounge and also some of the biggest colleges and universities I've played. You'll have a chance to see every single thing exactly as it plays for a real audience. I start by teaching my tossed out deck. This is my take on the classic, filtered through 30 years and thousands of performances.
If I have named your card, please sit down.
We are warmed up. All right. Next is my 3 billet routine. Real work. 3 minds are read under seemingly impossible conditions.
Do you feel the psychic energy in this room? Oh, is it Ty? Give it up for him.
That's So Cute is a non-gimmicked approach to the Staple Gun Roulette that builds to an amazing climax. Then I get into a powerfully theatrical version of Art Emerson's classic Pegasus Page. For those of you not familiar with Pegasus Page, here's what happens. An audience member is brought on stage. They select any word and any page from a book and discover later that that word and page was never there. In fact, that page was ripped out before the show and is sitting on the chair underneath them.
Why, it's a page from a book. Line it up.
7 people mix up jumbo alphabet cards and select letters. The mentalist, without looking at them, plays a stage-sized game of Scrabble, creating the best words possible with their letters. This is a mentalist version of a stage illusion. It plays huge. It can only be described as a miracle, and well, that's why I call it miracle. Ringtone. The entire audience writes their cell phone numbers down on cards. The volunteer selects one card and enters that number into his phone, preparing to dial. The mentalist locates that person in the audience whose phone is about to ring.
Was that weird enough? Thanks so much. Give it up for a huge round of applause.
The broom and the watch, a psychokinetic stage illusion. A borrowed broom is balanced across an inverted glass so that it resembles the hour hand of a watch. The mentalist makes it rotate under seemingly impossible conditions. In this lecture, you learn a lot. Close-up, stage, mentalism with everyday objects, and even visual mentalism. This is some of my best material, and I use it all the time. There are some really awesome effects that I have held back for years. Now, you enjoy some of my gems in this lecture. I'm Christopher Carter, and welcome to My Penguin Live.